In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about drawing stars and banners in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your PowerPoint presentation, select the Home tab up at the top, and then you want to go over to the Drawing section and click the drop-down arrow. And now you want to locate something that says stars and banners near the bottom. Go ahead and select whatever ones you're looking to incorporate into your presentation. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.